Hi, my name is Neeraj. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the SQL queries. Let me ask the question. We have a table. In this table, we have few columns like ID, first name, last name, EMP status, salary. What we need to do here, we have to update EMP status and we don't need to use any where clause condition. It means we need to update as a bulk update. And what would be the value? 0 will update with 1 and 1 will update with 0. Let me copy this table and paste in Excel sheet. Let me drop this column. Also I am dropping this. And what would be our output? Our output will be 1 1 1 1 0 0. There are different approaches to update this value. We have different way, we have a different techniques, but I am going to explain a very easy way. Right? How can we do this? We will use case statement here. Let me show you. TBLEMP set status equal to. Here I will use case when EMP status equal to 0 then 1. When VMP status equal to 1 then 0. End. Case when EMP status equal to 0 then 1, when EMP status equal to 1 then 0. End. So what I have written, update TBL EMP set EMP status equal to, I am using case statement. So in case of 0 it will update 1 and in case of 1 it will update 0. And also I am not using any where clause here. So it would update in all over data. Whatever data we have, 1000 row, 5000 row, 100 row, whatever data we have, this query will execute and update. So this first 4 record have 0 and last 2 record have 1. So let me execute this query. I have executed this query. Let me run this select star. Wow, this has been updated now. First 4 record have 1, last 2 record have 0. So this case statement we can use. It seems very easy question, but as per my experience in interview, many candidates got confused and they started writing where clause, they started writing different approach and different techniques. So according to my suggestion, case is the very easy solutions. We can also do with arithmetic operation, but it would be tricky. So that's why I will always suggest to go with case. If interviewer will ask cross question on case, that would be easy to answer. But let me explain arithmetic approach also. We can do this using this query. We can update our value. Let me show you. First we will see this is first 4 value, it is 1 and last 2 value is 0. Let me update this query. 6 rows affected. Let me run this query again. It has been updated, right? Let me update this query again and let me show you this data that has been updated. But this case is easy to understand, easy to explain, and you can answer any cross question related to the case. Unfortunately, this is little bit tricky.